Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. The topic of today's video is slightly different. Today I will talk about some gifting ideas for your loved ones. Just a little smile on your loved one's face makes you forget all your worries. It's the best feeling in the whole world, isn't it? Finding gifts for loved ones can be a little daunting task as many factors need to be considered including budget, preference and mood of the occasion. To make this gift hunt task a little easier for you, I am here to suggest you some gift ideas for special ladies in your life for every occasion. I bought some gift items recently from Amazon. I'll show you one by one so that you find an idea to choose a gift item for your loved ones. इससे पहले कि आप मुझसे पूछो कि Amazon ही क्यों, let me tell you that I searched hours and reached at this conclusion that Amazon is the best place for finding a gift item. You find countless choices, affordable price and superb quality. The Great Republic Day sale is live on Amazon, so that's a great chance to grab these products or anything else you have wishlisted. Apart from that, you will get fast delivery, easy returns or exchange. So let's start. The first product I have bought is related to makeup. It's this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. There are hundreds of eyeshadow palettes available, but I am suggesting this one because it has a unique selection of colors. And the design is so special. It's something a makeup lover would love to receive as a gift. Another makeup gift is this lip and cheek tints gift set from Daughter Earth. It comes with 4 tints and this beautiful tin box. This set costs 2750 rupees, so it's definitely on the pricier side. But Daughter Earth products are the best, so this will make an amazing gift for your loved one. The next product is this pair of sunglasses. I'm a big fan of ID sunglasses and have a good collection of their shades. This is a beautiful black cat eyes pair that will be suitable for all kinds of outfits. The price of this pair is 2250 rupees, but I got it at 1650 rupees. That was a good deal. Jewelry is always a good gifting option and Amazon has the biggest collection of fashion jewelry. I have a few pieces from a brand called Minutia. I hope I am saying it correctly. They have an amazing collection of good quality pieces at reasonable prices. I got 2 pairs of earrings. These beautiful rose gold clip-on earrings. Wow, it's looking so beautiful. And this pair of golden hoops. I'm in love with all the pieces because they look so beautiful and special. I would love to shop more pieces from this brand. The final product I want to show you is this beautiful oxidized jewelry set. I fell in love with the design. These are earrings. This set is not heavy, but it's the right kind of statement piece. These earrings are very lightweight. This set can be worn with all kinds of ethnic wear like suit, sari and lehenga, and it will go with all kinds of color. These earrings are very lightweight. आप इन्हें अकेले भी पहन सकते हो उस सेट के साथ भी. It will be a sweet gift option for someone who loves oxidized jewelry. The best part, it's only for 449 rupees. So guys, these are some of the products you can give as a gift. There are so many more options on Amazon, so you should definitely check them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.